Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your graphics drivers on Windows 10. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, the first thing you'll have to do is to right click on the startup menu and then click on device manager, and it will open a new window in front of you. And now you'll have to click on display drivers, and right here you'll be able to find the drivers, graphic cards that you have installed in your PC. And for example, I have Intel HD graphics. I'll have to right click on it and then click on update driver, and now you'll have to click on search automatically for drivers, and it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now you can do one more thing. You'll have to go to the Google Chrome browser and you'll have to download this Intel drivers support software from this link. I will provide the link in the description, and I've already installed it, and you'll have to download and install this software, and you'll be able to find an icon of Intel graphics support. And I'll search for it, Intel. Yes, this is a software that you will have to install, and it will automatically update all your drivers on your PC, and it will also tell you about all the information of your laptop or PC. And whenever an update will be available, it will automatically update those drivers to the latest version for best possible performance. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.